Do you want to compress your Excel file size? Then you are at the right video. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce your XLSX file size. So let's dive right in. For sake of this video, I'm going to use this Excel file. As you can see, if I show you the size of this file, you can see it's around 11.2 MB, and if I open it, you can see I have so many data stored in this Excel file. So you just need to open your browser and search for www.youcompress.com/excel. There is so many tools available for compressing your Excel file. You just need to search for Excel compressor and you will find so many of them, and the second one you can see here is YouCompress. Now here you just need to select file, click on select file and select your Excel file that you want to compress or reduce the file size and click on upload file. Now after a short loading, it will upload it successfully and then it will compress your Excel file automatically. It's pretty simple and you can compress your Excel file within a few clicks. I have skipped a little and here you can see my file is now completely compressed, and you can see it is now 17.79% compressed and the file size is reduced to 9.23 MB from 11.23 MB. And remember, if you compress a file, it will lose some of its quality. So be careful about this point, that you can lose some of your quality of your Excel file. Now click on download and you can see the compressed Excel file has started downloading and its file size is 9.2 MB, as you can see. And if you want to reduce more size of this file, you can select this downloaded file from here and you can compress this downloaded file again to reduce more size. You can do it again and again to reduce more and more size, but remember, it will lose its quality gradually according how many times you compress this same file in this website. You can also delete this file from this website server. Just simply click on delete file and you can see the file is successfully deleted from the website server. Just simply click on delete file from server button here and you can easily delete your file from youcompress.com. It's pretty simple, right? Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and thanks for watching. Till next time.